MEG facilities at NIMHANS. Electron triads magnetoencephalography, the world's most advanced technology for mapping of the brain in real time. Clinical use and research. Epilepsy localization, pre-surgical evaluation. Head trauma, post-traumatic stress research. Vision. Motor functions. Sensory functions. Memory and language functions, dyslexia, psychiatric disorders, Alzheimer's, autism, research. Direct measure of brain activity on neuron level. Unique sensor design, highly sensitive pickup signal from deep and superficial sources. Powerful software for versatile analyzing, software filtering, environmental interference. Direct measure of brain activity, excellent spatial and temporal resolution, non-invasive, easy to operate. Highest temporal resolution, resolves milliseconds events, excellent spatial resolution. MEG facilities at NIMHANS is equipped with a double-layered, magnetically shielded room, 306 channels MEG system and sophisticated data analysis softwares. The magnetically shielded room provides shielding against external ambient magnetic noise and keeps the magnetic noise inside the MSR to low level to few femtotesla. MEG gantry supports the 80 liters capacity of liquid helium cryostat in which 306 superconducting sensors are populated on the inside concave bottom surface of the helmet. The connectivity board on the side of the MEG gantry allows the user to connect EEG channels, biochannels, H-wave coils, auditory stimuli channels. Rotation of the MEG cryostat to a certain angle allows MEG recording either in seating or supine position. Stimulus accessories inside MSR used for evoked response studies such as auditory, somatosensory, motor evoked studies. The presentation screen inside MSR used for presenting visual stimulus where the image or objects are projected on the screen through periscope which is mounted on the wall of the MSR. Two infrared cameras fixed at two different angles inside MSR enables the user to monitor the patient condition from outside. The electromagnetic signal sampled at 306 spatial locations fed to the analog to digital converter or digitized and stored in the data storage system. Liquid helium is essential for keeping the sensor in the superconducting state to detect the record, the magnetic signal and the liquid helium level to be checked before the operation of MEG system. The empty room noise inside MSR to be maintained low and need to be checked prior to MEG recording. Now I will present you how the MEG recording for epilepsy patient routinely moves at NIMHANS. Patient who comes with MEG appointment is received by our staff in charge nurse and the patient is screened for metallic and magnetic objects which may cause interference while MEG recording. Patient will be given a hospital gown to wear and few questionnaires will be asked to the patient about the clinical history. For the patient awareness about MEG and its procedure will be explained to the patient. taking patient height and weight measurements, patient will be taken to MEG lab. To co-register with MRI, anatomical fiducial points are marked with digitizer and vitamin E capsules are placed on the marked position, which will be seen transparently in MRI. Patient whose MRI done has taken back to the MEG lab and the patient is asked to sit in the preparation chair. This preparation chair made of wooden and it's kept away from metallic objects to avoid error in digitization. A transmitter which is connected to the polyhymous digitizer is fixed on the backside neck of the chair. A goggle receiver fixed on the head acts as a reference frame and the stylus receiver mark the points relative to this goggle's reference receiver. The digitization principle is based on radar principle. Head movement during digitization is compensated by goggle receiver unless it does not move. Patient hair is cleaned to remove oil or any glues in hair and 64 channel EEG cap is put on the head if simultaneous EEG and MEG is needed. Disposable EOG, ECG, reference and ground channels are attached to the record and monitor the electrical activity of the eye movement and cardiac activity. This recording helps in identifying the artifacts contaminated with EEG and MEG signals. UPrep skin abrasive gel is used for skin preparation and for lowering impedance. Conductive gel is applied for making good electrical contacts between scalp and the EEG electrodes. HPI coil placed over the head will help to compensate the real-time head movement while MEG recording. HPI coil will be excited by a certain amounts of current at known frequency at definite intervals and the locations of the coil relative to the sensor and head will be used for head movement correction in real time. Anatomical fiducial points such as left periauricular, Mason and right periauricular points are digitized to match later with the MRI anatomical fiducial points. HPL coils fixed on the head are digitized for real-time head movement correction. EEG electrodes position are digitized for EEG source localization and additional points digitized on the head surface used for making shape of the head and this information will be used in the head model while source localization. MEG recording is possible in sitting or supine position. based on the needs of study and patient's comfort. Patient undergoing MEG scan inside MSR is monitored in the outside. PC monitor and the bidirectional communication system enable the user and patient to interact inside and outside. The real-time brain activity is monitored in the data acquisition PC. MEG can record the spontaneous activity of the brain, for example, interictal epileptic activity, seizure activity, as well as stimulus evoked response of the brain like visual evoked field, auditory evoked field, somatosensory evoked field, motor evoked field. MEG data analyzed in the offline and the definite dipoles cluster obtained from the source localization of interictal epileptic activity or ictal activity locates the abnormal activities of the brain causing seizure. Duration of MEG scan varies from study to study and some instant from patient to patient. For example, the duration of the spontaneous MEG recording may be extended if the epilepsy patient do not have any discharges. That means interictal post-seizure or seizure activity. Figure 1. MEG spike with a negative field prominent and counter map with good tight and sync dipolar pattern represent the topographical voltage of dipole. Red and blue indicates the efflux and influx of magnetic field. Green arrow represents direction of dipole vector. Figure 2 shows dipoles indicated with yellow field circles and lines, widely clustered around the right perisylvian region. The head was approximated with spherical volume conduction module and the spikes were fitted to the single ECD model. The yellow field circle indicates the location of dipoles and the line indicates the orientation, direction of corresponding vectors. Regarding MEG payment, few cases are sending from private hospital. For them, including MEG and MRI package system is rupees 18,000. Our hospital, there is 100% APL category, including MRI and MEG is rupees 12,000. 50% APL category, including MEG and MRI, 6,000. BPL cases, including MRI and MEG, 3,000. Few cases we are considering Chief Minister Medical Relief Fund, academic grounds and Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi.